Hi.
What?
Hi.
Oh, hi. Oh my goodness.
How are you doing?
Oh, what are you doing here on a Sunday afternoon?
I was taking a stroll.
It's so beautiful. I thought I would just. What are you doing here? You taking a
Well,
stroll?
they're playing some really hideous country music next
I
door.
heard that. That's why I came out here to find out who was doing such a thing.
And they have dogs. I think they have rabid dogs. They have children screeching like hawks. It's
So
really
they're
bad.
Satanists.
It's
we
bad.
Got Satanists around
I don't know if it's Satanist activity, but it's definitely.
I'll get to the bottom of it. This
It's
is
definitely
my neighborhood.
something. Yeah.
My neighborhood. I don't like that shit.
Right. Look at you. You're looking handsome
Why
today.
don't you in church?
Oh, I don't go to church.
Huh?
I don't go to church, mister.
You're one of them.
No, I had a very life-changing experience. The day it happened, I started biting my parents. I scratched them. I was very vicious. I told them I can't do this anymore. I don't know who Jesus is. I don't answer to him. What is this?
God.
Does Jesus have donuts? They said no. I said, well, then go fuck yourself. It was bad. It was a really bad day, and they just said, you know what? You need to make your own decisions from here on out. We can't tell you what to do anymore.
Let me tell you something. As soon as people start
you're out of
talking
control.
Crazy talk like that, you need to come talk to me. Because I'm going to tell you one time, and I'm going to tell you one time only.
Sure.
It's your life to live, your burden to pass. Don't listen to anybody else's burdens, but live your last.
I agree.
Because nobody is going to help you other than yourself.
Very true. Very true. My dad used to say, nobody's going to help you.
It doesn't mean that they don't have wise advice, but it's not always going to work the same way as it works for you.
Right.
Because we're not modeled that way.
Right.
We come from a genetic makeup that makes our own way individually impossible to replicate.
Mm-hmm.
But it doesn't mean you got to be hard-headed like I am.
Right.
So how's everybody in Michigan?
They're good. My mom kind of flipped out. She had a paranoid episode. She was talking about how my brother's doctor from 15 years ago has her social security number, and now he's trying to demand that she pay a bill that was already paid by, I think, Medicare or something.
That's about right.
She kind of...
That's somebody I use a key phrase that
she flipped out.
It was handed down over time, and it's called
windy.
Go Fuck Yourself.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, definitely.
But, you know, at least she's trying to do the right thing, but it sounds about right.
Right, yeah.
I've had things like, it just comes, it's like, what, 20 years ago?
20 years
There's a statute of limitations over here.
Definitely.
You're fucked.
She felt like she was being personally attacked, but it turned out to not be true. And the last thing I heard from my sister is that after I called her...
why she would believe something like that.
Right, well, you know, sure. You know, there's always the potential she's being fucked with, but probably
I'm
not.
sure somebody's fucking her. They fucking me like they fucking me. I'm sure she's getting
well, my sister said that she's been feeling a lot better since I called, so I have high hopes.
Maybe we should call her later.
Yeah, probably. She laughed a lot last time.
I used to
They're beautiful. Yep,
look at
these.
And they have
Beautiful leaves.
Flowers.
It's so windy.
Oh man, I'm so glad it's not hot anymore. I've
Very
been living
windy.
in an oven for months.
Look at that.
Damn near turned into a gingerbread man.
Look at that.
So,
look at this. Are you a gingerbread man?
Yeah, man.
Are you
it's
edible?
Been so hot. I'm so glad it's cool, but that don't mean it's gonna be this way all week.
Mister, are you edible? Are you edible?
Why do you want to suck my dick?
No.
Alright then. You'll find out soon enough. Well, yeah, I can be.
Maybe. Wait a minute. What? What did I just say?
Oh my god, my mother's gonna be watching this.
What flavor?
Edit, delete, forget about it.
What flavor do you have down there? I might consider it.
If I had to think, I would like to think it's like a mix between banana vanilla beef jerky.
Yeah.
But you know, I never ate one, so I don't know. But
Yeah.
if I had to guess, I like to think it's got a salty vanilla banana shake.
Vanilla?
Feel.
Vanilla.
Yeah, but with a little hit of salt, because you know it gets sweaty.
Yeah. Of course.
But it's got flavor. It's got
Wow.
flavor. I guarantee you it's got flavor.
Definitely.
The only reason I don't know is because I can't bend that far. But it feels like it would have flavor because I got all the flavor.
All the
Mad
flavor.
flavor.
All the flavor. He's got serious flavor.
But you know,
he's not
you
fucking
kids
around,
get me
folks.
off on these topics. This is not what we should be talking about right now.
I agree. Yeah, I mean,
what
everybody
we should be
is
talking
just
about is
so absorbed with sexuality
what
these days.
happened to pimping in the big city? What happened?
Oh, well, I
Did
don't
we all
know.
have to become pimps of our own destiny?
I was of the mindset that you brought it back. I thought you
I
brought
didn't
it
bring
back.
nothing back. I always been here.
Yeah, I
It's
think
slowly misunderstood.
I think you
But
brought it
I'm
back.
not bringing nothing back. I have love for women and mankind.
Oh
But
yeah,
I
I
know
hear
how
it.
to make a dollar.
I hear you. Yeah, I heard about that loving that you've been doing.
No.
That's bad.
Why are you following me?
I didn't realize I was following you. I thought you were following me.
Good question.
This is quite a predicament
That is.
we're in.
I did.
Quite the
Look what
predicament.
we got over here. Look, we got this cool tree, man.
What
That
cool
one
tree?
almost killed me.
You
remember that?
Yeah.
I did. I jumped and thought I was going to be walking to the back and landed on my back, and I wasn't going to move for, I don't know, 2 weeks. Yeah, that was horrible. Then I got in a car crash where I died for the 11th time, and I came back. All right. And the doctor was mad at me because I said, "Can you just give me some heroin and wrap me up?" So I got to be at work at like 7 a.m. in the morning. He's like, "No, you're dying." Oh, I'll be out in 3 days. Out in 3 days.
Out in 3 days.
I won't do that shit again.
He was unprecedented.
I will not ever go through that shit again.
No.
I made it look easier.
I agree. It sounds awful. Look at... Mister, what is going on? What is going on right now? This is... Are you having one of those episodes?
This is where the real magic happens. Look at that tree.
Look at this beautiful tree. We really like it.
It's a fabulous place. Fabulous. This is the Bo Diddley estate.
Will you climb it?
At night, we set it all on fire and we dance.
We dance. We lose our clothes.
We do.
It gets
I'm
scary.
surprised I got any on now.
It's very scary. What are you stepping on branches here? Very nice.
I can't do this anymore.
That's a cannon.
I can't do it anymore.
You have random cannons.
We dance in the moonlight. We dance in the sun. We don't give a fuck.
We drink.
Who you are.
We
What else
masturbate in
we
public.
Masturbate in
it's
public.
really awful.
It gets awful, but you know what? The children are smiling. At least they're happy.
We scream at children.
Yeah, we scream
we
at children.
throw beer cans at them when they're on their golf cart.
We flip them off and
bad.
We call them little faggots.
Little faggots.
You know, it's a mix-up here, but you know, it shows results.
Definitely.
You know what?
I mean,
we're
all about results. We're about trees that sexually harass us. Look at that. He's bad.
He's fired.
He's bad. He's fired.
No, get
him out of here.
Fired.
He's awful.
You fucked up the whole.
You know.
You're fired. Get him out of here.
He thought that his acorns would get him some booty. Didn't work.
Fired.
That didn't turn out well.
I won't have it. The type of shit I'm talking about. You're fired. You're fucking fired.
We're done with you. We're done.
Everybody you know is gonna die.
Everybody's gonna die.